Hello, I'm Bob, your friendly neighborhood cyber guy. Happy Friday the 13th, everyone. From the White House to your own house, there's a lot moving in cybersecurity this week. We've got new executive orders aiming to protect you and some simple steps to keep those digital black cats away from your personal info. Grab your coffee and let's get you secure. Number 1, the brain game data trap. A new report released this month has exposed a major issue with free brain game apps like Puzzles for Seniors and Woodblock Puzzles. While these apps promise mental stimulation, many are secretly collecting personal data, including your contacts, photos, and location, to fuel sophisticated retirement scams. The simple fix: before downloading a game, check the app permissions. If a simple puzzle game asks to see your photo or contacts, hit cancel and stick to vetted options like AARP's Staying Sharp program instead. Number 2, Social Security verification scams. With new Social Security Administration verification requirements starting this month, scammers are working overtime. They are sending official-looking messages claiming your benefits will be suspended unless you update your info immediately through a provided link. The simple fix: the SSA will never threaten to stop your benefits over the phone or via a text link. If you're worried, go directly to the official ssa.gov website to check your account rather than clicking any link in a message. Number 3, the urgent alarm registration text. U.S. police departments, including Huntsville, Alabama, issued a warning this week about a legitimate-looking text message regarding alarm registration. It claims you must click a link to renew or register your home alarm system. The simple fix: police departments typically do not send renewal notices or registration requests by text. If you receive one, do not click the link. Just visit your local department's official website if you need to verify your home security status. Number 4, be aware of AI wrapper apps. There's been a surge in popular but unsecured chat and ask AI apps that repackage services like ChatGPT. A major breach this week exposed over 300 million personal messages because these wrapper apps didn't have basic security safeguards. The simple fix: if you want to try out AI, stick to big names like ChatGPT or Gemini, rather than third-party apps with confusing names. Avoid sharing deeply personal details with any AI assistants as if you were talking to a trusted friend. That's all for this week's checkup. Remember, staying safe online doesn't have to be a chore. It's just about taking those small, smart steps together. If you found these tips helpful, I'd love to have you along for the ride next week. Thanks for tuning in. Now, go hit that subscribe button and stay curious, my friends.